welcome to our channel on the double games. Today we are doing step 4, which is F2L. F2L stands for first two layers, and let's begin. We need to get all of these edges into the right place. Let's start with the red and blue. If you see the top color, always the top color goes away from its side, so it's on the opposite color. So this is red and it's away. So now we lift the other one up. This is the red and blue. We'll move it away. So now we roll the corner to the side. It matches up with an edge, and we just bring it back in, just like that. And there we go. Let's go with orange and green. So it goes away from green, because green is at the top. Now let's lift this side up. Roll the corner to the side. Lift it back up so it matches with its edge. And put it back in. And now we just have red, green, and blue and orange left. Let's go with red and green. It goes away from green because green is the right corner. So green is at the top, it goes away from green. We lift the side up and we roll the corner away so it matches with its edge. And then we just put it back in. The last corner is orange and blue. It's right over here. Orange and this is blue. It's blue, so it goes away from blue. This is blue, and this is the corner. Now lift the side up, roll the corner to the side, so it matches its edge, and we pick it back in. So this is the F2L done. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.